Middelburg's name originates from a 9th century circular earthen fortification called the Middelburg, built to defend against Viking raids. Over the centuries, this lively city has been the proud capital of Zeeland province. Around 1150, Norbertine canons founded the Abbey of St. Nicholas here, and the settlement quickly grew around its peaceful cloisters. In 1217, Middelburg received city rights, establishing its own government and civic identity. From 1559 to 1603, it even served as Zeeland's bishopric, highlighting its religious and administrative significance. Between 1572 and 1574, a determined siege by the Sea Beggars expelled Spanish forces and welcomed Middelburg into the young Dutch Republic. As the capital of Zeeland, Middelburg rapidly became the second most important hub for the Dutch East India Company, rivaling Amsterdam in global trade. Its skilled lens craftsmen, including Zacharias Janssen and Hans Lippershey, are often credited with inventing the microscope and telescope in the late 16th century. The Abbey's 86-meter-high tower, affectionately called the Lange Jan, still provides panoramic views of Walcheren's landscape and winding waterways. Nearby, the Middelburg Town Hall, built between 1452 and 1520 by the Keldermans family, features a graceful Gothic facade and the whimsical clock tower known as Maalbetje. In 1758, the Middelburgsche Courant newspaper began publishing here, later making headlines by hiring the first female reporter in the Netherlands in 1885. Education and innovation have long been integral to the city's identity. In 1785, Jacoba van den Brande launched the world's first all-female science academy in Middelburg. Despite suffering a devastating bombardment on 17th of May 1940 that destroyed much of its medieval archives, Middelburg's spirit endured. The dramatic breach of Walcheren's dikes on 3rd of October 1944 flooded the island for months, an act that remained controversial due to its civilian toll. Yet Operation Infatuate culminated on 6th of November 1944 with British forces liberating Middelburg, a turning point that cleared the Scheldt estuary for Allied shipping. Post-war reconstruction was guided by meticulous records and community determination, restoring nearly all 7 medieval gates and graceful canals. Today, the restored Abbey complex houses the Zeeuws Museum and the provincial government. Since 2004, the historic Town Hall's chambers have hosted students from University College Roosevelt, bringing youthful energy to the city. A 19th-century canal linking Vlissingen to Veere cuts through the city's old ramparts, a reminder of Zeeland's mastery at balancing commerce and conservation. Its tree-shaded squares, lined with pastel merchant houses and aromatic herb gardens, invite leisurely exploration and reflection. Culinary enthusiasts can sample delicious Zeeland oysters at cozy waterfront bistros. With a population of just under 48,000, Middelburg balances scholarly pursuits, provincial politics, and vibrant local culture. Friendly locals are always ready with directions, tips, or a cheerful greeting. Middelburg truly invites you to explore its hidden corners, celebrate its past, and dream of its bright future.